My name's Keith Mullin from the farm. This is Paul from the VAR Assembly and Nico from the T Street Band. We're here at the Cotton Street project, which is Signature Living's homeless shelter. It's been set up basically in support of our city's most vulnerable, which is the homeless, which is now an epidemic on the streets of Liverpool.
These survival kits include mainly the things that are going to keep the homeless warm in winter. Thermal socks, thermal hat, thermal gloves and thermal vest.
You can buy one of these packs for £10. The money from this will go to support the Cotton Street project. And then you can take one of these packs and give it to the homeless person yourself, or we can make sure a member of the Cotton Street team will deliver it direct to the homeless person that needs it this winter.
Go onto the Cotton Street website and you can make a donation direct, and the team here will make sure that a person gets a survival kit for every £10 that's donated.
Please dig deep, do what you can. We're looking for donations basically for the homeless shelter. Our government aren't going to do anything about it, so therefore sometimes we have to take things into our own hands, and that's what Signature Living has done.